I've ordered some bubbles for my birthday. Wait, am I in focus? I can't tell. I really need glasses and I keep refusing to get them.
Happy birthday!
Thank you! Hey guys, wait, I can see. While I was blow drying my hair, I hit my head with the hairdryer. Yeah, I hope that goes away soon. Hello, it is October 18th. Today is my birthday. Oh my god, my voice. I drank a bottle of wine last night. Last night I turned off my phone and I decided that today I would have a totally disconnected day. I'm gonna head out into Kuala Lumpur, do things that I love to do, and basically contemplate and ponder my life. I'm at a bit of a crossroads right now. I will explain it as the day goes on. So one of my challenges is that I don't have a bank account here, which makes getting cash interesting because I closed my HSBC account in Hong Kong when I had moved here. Okay, so oddly, one of the easiest ways to get cash is to send money to a friend or family member and have them send it to me by Western Union, which sounds very, I don't know, trailer parky-ish to me. No offense, but it is the easiest way. So basically, because I work with clients all around the globe, I work a lot out of PayPal. So I send money by PayPal and then they wire it to me. So that is what we're doing now. Okay, that's my building there. Petronas Twin Tower is there. And we are going over here. Okay, Western Union. Okay, apparently I am an idiot without my phone. I forgot to write down the Western Union number. I've never not had my phone with me, but look at, so I'm trying to, I hope you can see that. Let me see if I can focus. Yeah, that is a whole lot of sweat for, I've only been across the street. I'm gonna die today. Because I was on crutches, I was taking Grab, which is the Uber of Asia, everywhere. I haven't walked really in so long. I'm gonna die today. Okay, I'm getting on my laptop, getting that number, and we're going back. Okay, sweat's almost gone. Let's go do it again. So stupid. Okay, wow, that's still in my head. So the idea was to make it at 11:30 to the first showing of Star is Born at Astoria Mall, which is inside Petronas Twin Tower. It's not that far away. I'm now here. They're processing my Western Union request. But it's also looking like it's about to rain. Hold on, I'll show you. So there's Petronas Twin Towers, which you can only see one of from the side. And because I don't have my phone, I can't grab, which is the Uber, I can't grab to the mall. So I'm gonna, I think what I'll do is I'll try and get a taxi. I'll stand out for 2 minutes, and then if I can't do that, I'll just go for it and walk to the mall. Taxi driver was really nice. Since my birthday, I gave him like a really awesome, amazing tip. We beat the rain. I'm really happy about that. I think the movie is scheduled to start basically like right this second, but it always runs late and there's always about 15 minutes of crap that's played first, so I should be fine. I'm still hoping to make it on time. I'm stopping quickly at Bisu, which is my favorite little pastry shop here in the mall, for a cookie. It's called Melting Moments. It's 2 sugar cookies with lemon frosting inside. So nice. All right, let's... Hi guys. Hi. Can I get 1 Melting Moments? Yeah. I've just come out of the cinema, but it's raining. So I stopped in for Thai food, and I realized I've been forgetting to use my mic. The film was brilliant. I went into it really excited anyway, but it's a really honest look at some really serious topics, and it's well acted, and yeah, A Star Is Born, that was perfect to see today. It kind of brings me to a couple, like my two main thoughts today that I want to process through. The first is some issues that I'm having with family and how being an expat and so far away, it really complicates that because you can't just drive over and, sit down and have a face-to-face. We're also across many time zones, so that complicates things. But yeah, I'm gonna think about that later. Oh, thank you. No, it's okay. I'm gonna sit here and blah 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 for a few minutes. Wine has arrived. No ice. Thank you. Thanks so much. So it was a perfect film to see today because I've been binge watching like the old catalog of Casey Neistat, and today before I took off, I watched on a loop like 3 times his Do What You Can't video. It's basically about saying F you to not being able to do something, for not taking no for an answer, which is a mantra that I believe in. It's something that I used to say in business all the time in job interviews. People would say, what are your good and bad qualities? And I tell them honestly what my negative qualities were, and I said, my good quality is I don't take no for an answer. I can find a way around anything. I'm at a crossroads now, which I mentioned before. I'm at a point where I have the opportunity to start taking on a bigger client roster and building up my career and my business in a safe way. Or what I've discovered is that I really love editing video. I love shooting video, and I think I'm getting better at looking at it as more of a way to put people in the moment with me. I had a Skype call with a financial planner of my parents this week, and he said something which really stuck with me. Bill, hey, I hope you're watching this. He told me that when people are on their deathbed, they never, ever, ever say, I wish I had saved more money, or I wish I had more money. They always say, I wish I had more time, or I wish I had done the things in my life that were really important to me. And that's something I'm starting to see value in. I miss money. When I had a real job, a proper job, I was making $150,000 to $160,000 US a year. Well, I didn't have money in the bank because my daughter was going to school and my ex-husband refused to help pay for any of that. But this is the first quarter where I'm not paying uni fees for her any longer, or private school fees. She's graduated, she's getting her first job. If I make money, I can make money for myself now and build a savings account and all of that. But I love my life, and I love having the freedom to do what I want to do on any given day. I like the fact that I can choose with my clients the types of work I want to do and what I don't want to do. I don't have any money. I'm not barely getting by, but yeah, I'm kind of barely getting by. But my days are so free and happy. So now I just need to start finding ways to better monetize my channel, which is what I really love doing. I think I'm talking myself out of getting a proper good job as I say this, because I want to keep having the time to do what makes me happy. I don't want to live to work. I want to work to live, which is what I'm doing right now. Shit, it's decided. I'm gonna enjoy my wine, enjoy my lunch, hopefully get the hell out of here. I'm still trying to walk home. Okay, we're back home. It's still raining a little bit, so I hopped in it wasn't a Grab. So from Surya to take a taxi, you have to do it through their designated taxi team. And what is normally a 4 ringgit ride was 22. Yeah, but anyway, cozy, comfy, nice driver. It's about 4 p.m. now. I do not want to stay in, so we're going to the bar downstairs. Okay, and I don't want to do it, but if I'm going to upload a video to YouTube, I actually need internet, and I never trust the internet on public spots. Keys. Let's boogie, boogie, boogie. Okay, it's amazing how close the bar is that we're going to. Check this out. So close. I can only do stairs. Oh. One at a time still? Okay, and that's it down at the end here. Hi. Thank you. I'm not going to go into the family stuff that I've had going on for the past year. It's actually the hardest thing I've dealt with ever in my life. The most heartbreaking, the most difficult. But being an expat definitely complicates that because there's just no, if someone doesn't want to speak with you or doesn't want to let you speak with them, it's really easy today to not do that. So, okay, so let's stay positive. I want to start shooting a lot more. I think going out and telling the micro stories in a more polished way just be super crazy hella fun, and I can do that. And over the past few years I've taught myself a lot. It feels like I'm a fraud saying that I'm a filmmaker. I'm not a filmmaker. I don't even really like saying I'm a videographer because that feels wrong too, but I am those things. I'm not a filmmaker in a big sense, but I tell stories on video. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing what I do. See what happens over the next year. I would love it if you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I didn't actually tell anyone of my friends here in Kuala Lumpur that it was my birthday today. I wanted to spend a day on my own.
Ears dropping though.
But I let it slip when I ordered the champagne to the bartender, which I'm so glad I did. Thank you so much, Tato.